Hello everyone. So in today's video we are going to learn few concepts related to calendar problems. So let's get started. Now we are going on to another concept, that is odd days. So what is an odd day? Odd days are the number of days which are more than the complete weeks. Now what does that mean? For example, we are given any random days. Say suppose 72 days. Alright, and we have to find that out of these 72 days, how many odd days are there. Now, what we are going to do is, we are going to first of all find out that out of these 72 days, how many days will be included in making weeks. Now, that is in 1 week, we all know there are 7 days. That means we have to first of all find out that out of 7 days, how many days will be included in making weeks. That means we have to find out the closest 7 multiple, that is 7 into 10 will be 70 and plus 2. That is, we can make 10 weeks, 7 days for 10 weeks, fine, and plus 2 more days. So in 72 days, there are going to be 2 odd days. That means that out of 72 days, we are going to use 70 days to make weeks and 2 days are left, they will be making the odd days. So this is what means by odd days. So now let's consider one more example. Let us see that out of 60 days, how many odd days we can have. So again, out of 60 days, that means we have to find out that how many days first of all are going to make weeks and then how many days are left. The number of days left will be the odd days. That is, what we are going to do is we are going to write these 60 days in the multiple of 7, 56 plus 4 days, and this 56 is a multiple of 7 plus 4. That means we are going to have 8 weeks and 4. Number of days left are 4, so we are going to have 4 odd days. Let us see how many odd days are there in one ordinary year. We all know that one ordinary year comprises of 365 days. So we have to see that out of 365 days, how many days will be included in making weeks, and after that how many days are left, those days will be the odd days. So let's see how can we write 365. First of all, let us divide 365 by 7. It gives us 5, 35, 1, 5, then it will be 2 and 14, 1. This means we can write 365 as 7 into 52 plus 1. So that means we are going to have 52 weeks and the number of days left are 1. So we are going to have 1 odd day. That means in an ordinary year, which comprises of 365 days, we are going to have only 1 odd day. Now, we all know that a leap year comprises of 366 days. So, if we have to find out how many odd days are there in a leap year, then again, we are going to use the same concept. We are going to write 366 as a multiple of 7. That means we have to divide it by 7. It gives us 366 is equals to 7 into 52 plus 2. That means 52 weeks again, 52 weeks and 2 days are left. That means one leap year comprises of 2 odd days. So now, in the similar manner, we can find out number of odd days in any given number of years. Like for example, if we are asked that how many odd days are there in a century. Century comprises of how many years equals to 100 years? And 100 years comprises of 24 leap years plus 76 ordinary years. Now why is it 24 leap years? Because 100th year, it should have been 25 leap years, but instead of 25 we are writing 24 leap year. The reason being that 100th year will not be a leap year since it is not divisible by 400. So what we are going to do is, now we know that in one leap year there are 2 odd days. So for 24 leap years there will be 24 into 2 odd days, plus for one ordinary year there is 1 odd day. This implies for 76 ordinary years there will be 76 odd days. This gives us 48 plus 76, 124 odd days. We have here is 124 odd days, but now these odd days can be included in making weeks again. This means 124 can be further broken down into 17 into 7 plus 5. That means we will have 5 odd days in 1 century. 5 odd days. How many we are going to have in 200 years? 5 plus 5. Because if in 100 years there are 5 odd days, so in 200 years there will be 5 plus 5 odd days, that is 10 odd days. And again we can write it like 7 into 1 plus 3. That means we can make 1 week out of these odd days, and then 3 days will be left. So for 200 years there will be 3 odd days. So in the similar manner we can find out how many odd days are there in 100 years, 200 years, 300 years, and so on. Last thing for the lecture is that for 0th odd day, we'll name that day to be Sunday, and for the first odd day, Monday, second Tuesday, third Wednesday, fourth Thursday, fifth Friday, and sixth Saturday. Why did we not include 7 over here? Because if we include 7, then all the odd days will complete a week, and hence there will be no odd days. So these odd days implies the day in a week. Thank you.